Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. We recently discovered the BestOffice Ergonomic Chair, an affordable mesh desk chair that aims to provide comfort and support for those long hours spent at a desk. If you're interested, we've included a link in the description below where you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the BestOffice Ergonomic Chair? This chair is designed for anyone who spends significant time working at a desk, whether it's for gaming, office work, or remote meetings. It features a sleek, modern design with a breathable mesh back that promotes airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable throughout your workday. One of the standout features of this chair is its emphasis on comfort. It's built for long-lasting use, and the adjustable height makes it easy to find your perfect seating position. Plus, the locking mechanism ensures that your back stays in an upright position, which can significantly relieve the stress and pain commonly associated with other office chairs. If you've ever found yourself slouching or shifting in your seat, this feature is a game changer. Next up is the ergonomic design. The BestOffice chair has been constructed with a human-oriented approach, allowing for full mobility while you work, game, or engage in meetings. The seat is designed to support your posture, making it an excellent option for those who may suffer from back pain or discomfort after long hours of sitting. This thoughtful design is a big plus for anyone who prioritizes health and wellness in their workspace. Now, let's talk about durability. The BestOffice chair is BIFIMA quality certified, which means it has passed rigorous testing to ensure its reliability and sturdiness. It can support users weighing up to 250 pounds, making it a solid choice for a wide range of body types. This certification reassures buyers that they're investing in a product built to last. Another noteworthy aspect is the easy assembly process. The chair comes ready to be assembled, complete with all the necessary hardware and tools. The step-by-step instructions mean you should be able to set it up in about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing you to get back to what you love doing without a long wait. This feature is especially appealing for those who may not be particularly handy or who simply want to avoid the hassle of complicated setups. So, who is this chair suitable for? The BestOffice Ergonomic Chair is ideal for students, professionals, gamers, and anyone who spends substantial time sitting at a desk. If you're working from home or just need a reliable chair for your gaming setup, this chair offers the support and comfort you need to stay focused and productive. In practical use cases, you can envision this chair fitting perfectly in a home office, a corporate workspace, or even a gaming room. Its versatile design allows it to blend seamlessly into various environments, making it not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing. To wrap things up, the BestOffice Ergonomic Chair is a fantastic option for anyone looking to enhance their seating experience without breaking the bank. With its ergonomic design, comfortable features, and solid build quality, it's a chair that can help you tackle your day with ease. Thanks for watching.